Take a look at this 2022 Dodge Durango GT Blacktop in white with HID headlamps, performance hood, 20-inch aluminum wheels, black tubular side steps by MOPAR, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 24,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, heated rear seats, heated second row seating, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number D7107.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.